Have you ever wondered why the harder you work and save, the smaller your dreams seem to get? It's not bad luck, it's by design. A system built to reward debt, not discipline. They told us saving was noble, that it made us responsible. We grew up believing the bank was our safest partner, but behind the polite smiles and sleek ads lies a different truth. When you deposit your money, the bank doesn't lock it up for your future. They take it, lend it, multiply it, and give you a fraction back. Your safety becomes their profit. You're promised interest, but inflation silently eats more than you earn. Your growth is an illusion, carefully designed to keep you calm while your money loses power. Every year, your savings buy less. The cost of food rises, rent climbs, and the currency in your account quietly dies. The bank doesn't warn you, they benefit from your silence. Because while your money sleeps, theirs works day and night. They lend it to others at 10 times the rate they pay you. You think you're gaining, they know you're not. It's not just business, it's control. The system keeps you dependent, always chasing security that never truly comes. You work, save, lose value, and start again. Inflation is the invisible tax nobody votes for. It's how governments reduce their debt, and how banks keep you running on the same treadmill forever. The moment you stop saving and start learning, you become dangerous to them. Because now your money moves, and when it moves for you, it stops moving for them. They don't fear the rich. They fear the informed. They fear the people who stop trusting slogans like "save for a better tomorrow" and start asking, "Better for who?" Banks want you loyal, patient, obedient. They reward small loyalty with fake comfort, loyalty bonuses, pretty apps, a promise of growth that never beats inflation. You are not their client, you are their resource. Your deposits are the fuel that powers their loans, their profits, their power. Without you, the system trembles. That's why they teach saving, not investing. They want you safe, not free. Freedom begins when you learn how money actually works, and how they use yours. They know that most people fear risk more than regret, so they sell safety, even if that safety costs you your financial future. The poor are trained to save. The rich are trained to invest. That's why the gap keeps growing, not because of luck, but because of knowledge. You can't beat inflation by waiting. Every day your money sits, it loses a heartbeat. And every day you trust the bank, they grow stronger from your stillness. Think about it. A $1,000 saved 10 years ago buys today what $700 could. You didn't lose cash. You lost time, opportunity, and value. Meanwhile, the bank used your money to create more money, through credit, debt, and loans you could never access yourself. The whole system thrives on your patience. They say don't risk it, but the truth is, they already risk your money daily, just not for you. They know real power comes from movement. Money must flow like blood. If it stops, it dies. That's why they make sure yours never leaves their veins. Saving feels safe because it's slow, but slow is exactly what they want. Because the slower you grow, the longer they own you. They built a world where saving looks smart but keeps you weak, and investing looks risky but sets you free. The illusion is perfect. You are told to trust the system that profits when you don't question it. The less you know, the more they earn. Knowledge is rebellion. You were never meant to win by saving. You were meant to survive just enough to keep saving again. The game resets every month. Paycheck in, hope out. Real safety isn't in saving. It's in learning how to make your money move for you. Assets, skills, and ideas are the new vaults of power. Every time you make your money work, a banker loses sleep. Because that's one less dream they control, one less life tied to their system. Your future doesn't depend on how much you save, but on how wisely you grow. The world doesn't reward storage, it rewards strategy. The moment you understand that, everything changes. You stop chasing pennies and start building freedom. Because in the end, banks don't want you to save money. They want you to stay small, safe, and silent. But you were never meant to obey. You were meant to rise.